I think it's time to really update astrology for the 21st century. And that's why I've come up with Plasma Astrology. This is astrology that takes into account that the entire universe is made of plasma, and that this plasma is really shared across the universe. Our solar system has the sun at its center, which itself is a giant ball of plasma. And if you look at things like complex plasma or dust plasma, you understand that plasma by itself can create spherical structures that then coagulate or cohere into greater structures. These physical bodies, as we call them, are really just crystalline structures that the plasma of the sun have coalesced into as temporary, even though they're very long existing, bodies that have their own environments within them. They're separated by what's called double layers. And these double layers insulate what's inside of different spherical objects from the rest of its environment. And this encapsulation allows for things to be individuated. However, in order for something to maintain a double layer, it has to constantly be oscillating and imploding at its center, which is what the planets are doing, ours included. We call our core of the Earth a big ball of spinning iron, and every other planet has that as well. But when waves come in from the North Pole and the South Pole and coalesce in the center, they cancel out each other in a phase conjugate wave pattern that then takes the transverse waves and reduces them down to zero, in which case that momentum gets spread out in packets equally in a spherical rotation. These longitudinal or scalar waves then can move through these double layers, unlike the up and down waves that get reflected by the double layer. This is why the different planets in the solar system actually impact us. And when we're born, we take on that energy as our physical expression, because that energy literally shapes us, both mentally, emotionally, and physically. I encourage you to head over to my website if you want to learn more about plasma astrology and are interested in getting your own reading, as this is a combination of esoteric astrology, traditional astrology, and plasma physics. Using these lines of thought, I've been able to revolutionize how I view myself and how I operate within this universe, understanding that I, myself, am a complex plasma. Check out my profile for the links.